Record. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for attending my seminar proposal. My name is Alia Saskia, and today I would like to present my research proposal entitled A Syntactic Analysis of Sentence Patterns in the Selected Song Lyrics of Reality Club's album, Reality Club Presents. First, I would like to express my gratitude to my advisor, Mr. Alim Akbar Nasir, for the guidance and support throughout the development of this proposal. Okay, we move on to the first chapter. Uh, okay, here's the background of the study. As a researcher, I chose this title because of my interest in studying sentence patterns in songs, especially with the selected object, considering that it has never been researched by anyone until now. This album was also chosen because the researcher wanted a new object that had never been used as a research object before. There is also several previous studies have discussed the same topic with different objects. The difference between the previous research and this research is the theory used to answer the different problem formulations. The research question is, what are the sentence patterns used in the selected song lyrics of Reality Club's Reality Club Presents album? And the purpose of the study is the researchers' aim is to analyze the sentence patterns used in the selected song lyrics of Reality Club Presents album. The significance of the study first is theoretically, the researcher hopes that the other researchers who wish to look into the same topic of syntax or sentence patterns will find this study to be informative and useful reading. Second, practically, researcher gets knowledge about syntactic analysis on sentence patterns and can be applied in writing a correct sentence. And the last one is the researcher also hopes to signify to the other researchers, especially students from the English Literature Department, to learn from the result of this research, in which case that the sentence patterns they use are either right or wrong. And then the scope and limitation of this research. The researcher focuses on analyzing the sentence patterns used in the selected song lyrics in Reality Club Presents album by Reality Club. The research question of the study will be answered by the researcher with the help of Quirk and Greenbaum theory about sentence patterns. Other linguistic aspects, especially syntax, apart from sentence pattern based on Quirk and Greenbaum's theory in the song lyrics, will not be included. This research will also use the theory of tree diagram by Yule to help the researcher in analyzing sentence patterns. And next, we move on to chapter 2, literature review. First of all, syntax. Syntax is a system of rules and principles that describe how we organize words into phrase, clauses, and sentences. According to Chomsky in 2002, in page 11, syntactic analysis of language aims to construct a grammar that can be seen as a kind of tool for creating sentences from the language being analyzed. And then sentence. Sentence is the largest unit in grammar. Sentence is made up one or more clauses. According to Anderson in 2014, there are four categories of sentences: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. And then sentence patterns. Quirk and Greenbaum 1987 state that a complete phrase can be formed using seven different patterns. The sentence patterns that were introduced are: first is subject, linking verb, and adverb. Second one is subject, linking verb, subject complement. Third is subject, transitive verb, and direct object. Fourth is subject, transitive verb, direct object, and adverb. The fifth one is subject, transitive verb, direct object, and object complement. The sixth one is subject, transitive verb, indirect object, and direct object. And the last one is subject and intransitive verb. Next, tree diagram. According to Yule 2010, in page 99, tree diagrams are a common way to create visual representation of syntactic structure analysis. In this research, I will use Yule's tree diagram. As you can see, here is the figure of Yule's tree diagram. So yeah, as you can see in the slide. And then here's the object of the research from this album. Yeah, this is the third album by Reality Club that released on May 26, 2023. This album features 10 songs. From this album, I choose 6 from 10 songs in the album for this research. There are I Wish I Was Your Joke, You Let Her Go Again, Arrowhead Man, Am I Bothering You, Anything You Want, and then the last one is Love Epiphany. The reason why I'm choosing that song is because it's their famous song in the album. Okay, here are some previous study for this research. I have 5 previous study. For the first, second, and third one is from a thesis, and for the fourth and the fifth one is a journal article. So, in the short, this research has the same analytical concerns as the 5 studies mentioned above, that looking for sentence patterns, as well as the research project, where almost all studies analyze sentence pattern in song lyrics. The difference lies in the theory used. All studies use different theories to answer the research problem. The first study used O'Grady's theory, the second and third use Bornstein theory, while the fourth and fifth study refers to some Chomsky's theory. As for this research, the researcher used the theories of Quirk and Greenbaum to answer the research problem assisted by Yule's theory. Next one is research method, research design. The researcher will analyze the data using qualitative research method. Qualitative research focuses on understanding social settings from the perspective of the people involved. I choose qualitative methods because this method can help me reach my goal to find sentence pattern in the song lyrics. The data in this research will consist of the lyrics of the song selected from the Reality Club Presents album. The data source for the research is the album. The research instrument in this research include the researcher and the laptop as tools for data analysis. Data collection technique that will be used by the researcher is document analysis. And the data analysis will be using Miles and Huberman in 1995, 94 in page 11. There are three steps to analyze qualitative data. As you can see, it's data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. And here's my reference. And yeah, that's all. And that is all from my seminar proposal presentation. Thank you for very much for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.